Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Docents Digitalis TV. In today's video, we're going to learn basic English for asking for directions on the street. Whether you're in a new city or simply need help finding a place, knowing how to ask for directions is super helpful. Let's go over some simple and polite phrases that will make it easy to get directions in English. Let's get started. The first step is to get someone's attention politely. Here are some phrases to start the conversation. Excuse me, can you help me? Hello, I'm trying to find a place. Could you assist me? Sorry to bother you, but I need directions. These phrases are polite and will help you approach someone kindly. Once you have their attention, ask directly for the place you're trying to find. Here are some examples. Can you tell me how to get to place? Where is the nearest subway station? How do I get to the park? These questions are direct and easy to understand, making it clear what you're looking for. To find out how far away the place is or how long it will take, use these phrases. Is it far from here? How long does it take to walk there? Can I get there by bus? These questions help you understand if you need to walk, drive, or take public transport. When someone starts giving you directions, listen carefully. You might hear phrases like, go straight and take the first left. Turn right at the traffic lights. It's across from the library. Remember to repeat or confirm the directions if you're unsure, to make sure you understand. If you didn't catch everything, it's okay to ask the person to repeat. Here are some ways to ask for clarification. Could you repeat that, please? I'm sorry, could you say that again? Can you point it out on the map? These phrases help ensure you understand the directions correctly. After receiving directions, it's polite to thank the person who helped you. Here's how to do that. Thank you so much for your help. I really appreciate it. Thanks a lot. Showing gratitude leaves a positive impression and completes the conversation politely. Quick review. Basic English for asking for directions on the street. Getting attention politely. Excuse me, can you help me? Asking for specific directions. Where is the nearest subway station? Asking about distance and time. How long does it take to walk there? Listening to directions. Go straight and take the first left. Asking for clarification. Could you repeat that, please? Thanking the person. Thank you so much for your help. With these simple phrases, you'll be able to ask for directions on the street confidently in English. Whether you're finding a restaurant, a park, or a train station, these expressions will help you navigate and find your way. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Docents Digitalis TV for more practical English tips. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Keep practicing and happy travels!